Hey guys, Dan here with Triad RV Parts, and I want to share a little idea or a concept in this short video that'll make it a lot easier for finding parts for your camper. The car industry, basically, when you're looking for a part for a car, they rely on the VIN number. So people just kind of assume that that's the same thing with campers, and they'll get the VIN number and they'll email me or they'll call me or something like that, and they'll say, "Here's the VIN number." Well, the reason why that doesn't really apply so strongly to the camping or RV industry, these manufacturers make an awful lot of product, and essentially it's very time consuming and difficult with descriptions, and typically they don't put pictures in their software that they supply to the resellers or their dealers. So this has caused the RV industry to evolve to the point where you just get it directly from the manufacturer of the particular appliance. So in short, if you are looking for a particular part for an appliance on your camper, then what you're really going to need is the model number of the appliance. Now, it may be kind of difficult to find it on an awning. It's typically on the side of the awning arm. On the refrigerator, it's usually inside. On the water heater, it's usually drop the door, and you can see the model number on a little tag. And furnaces can be a little harder to get to, just depending on where it's located. But the thing is that what really makes it easy, and I'm about ready to show you something that's just almost magic, and if you'll do this, you'll save yourself a lot of frustration, and you'll also make it so much easier for whoever you're buying your parts from. And here it is. Are you ready? This. Take a picture of that tag and send it, or at least have it on hand so you can read it out to the guy if he's asking for the model number. It's a whole lot easier to find the part. Now, having said all that, that pretty much applies to the square box type trailers, or the ones with the triangular fronts. If you have one of the high-end units, and I won't name any of them here, but they may operate off the VIN number. Not to mention, most of the time, if you're talking about a high-end unit, it is motorized, and anything that's motorized is going to have two VIN numbers. One for the coach that's made by the RV manufacturer, and then whoever makes the chassis, so you can keep up the parts for the engine and that type of thing. So if you're looking for a part for one of your appliances on your camper, you're going to need the VIN number as well as the tag picture or the model number of the appliance for the part that you're looking for. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. I hope this helps, and as always, questions and comments are welcome.